Hey everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you the brand new battery usage menu that's a part of Samsung One UI 3.0, and we'll do a direct comparison versus 2.5. Now, as of right now, I am a part of the beta program. This is actually just build 1. I'm waiting for build 2 to come out maybe in the next week, just to see if they made any changes or tweaks. So first off, let's head inside of the settings. Then what you're going to want to do is scroll down until you see battery and device care. So right here, they actually added the word in battery in front of device care, something to kind of, make it apparent that this is where you can find your battery information. Now on a part of Samsung One UI 2.5, when you go inside of the settings and you scroll down, it's going to be this option here called device care. And then beneath it is where it said battery. Now inside of here again, we're going to go to the very same screen. So again, 3.0. 2.5. Here you can see a graph right away, just kind of, welcome you to the screen. This is where you can take a look at your last 7 days, and this first one was since the last full usage. Now, in order for you to see any of these graphs, you have to go inside of device usage right over here. You can see the one on the top and as well as one on the bottom. Now, if you wanted to get more detailed, you can go right inside of there. You have a full page dedicated to since the last full charge, and then one that's dedicated to the last 7 days, really kind of depending on which one you want to take a look at. Now, one of the first things that I did notice that was an awesome update was right there letting us know how long ago since we last had this thing full charged. Now, you can see it's been over 6 days. Honestly, I don't have my SIM card in the S20 Ultra. I have it on my Note 20, so this one's going to be pretty long, but you can still get pretty much all the details from this video. Now, one of the other cool things is inside of these detailed taps. So when you tap on this YouTube over here, it's not really looking that great. You can see total 28 minutes active, less than 1 minute in the background. My battery usage was 4.1%. Over on this side, you can see usage since last full charge was 42 minutes. Background was 2 minutes there. The average daily use over 7 days, you can see I use this thing for 1 hour and 8 minutes on average. And then you just kind of see the background and all that good stuff. So the nice thing is just kind of the way it's all laid out, the way that it looks. Really the biggest thing that I loved, again, is right over here. You can't really see since the last time it was really charged. You can see it hit a charger right there for a little bit, but where is the time? It doesn't really, you have to kind of guess where that is. This one gives you a specific time, which is one of those things that was in the past Samsung phones. I'm glad that they also brought it back. And then you also have your estimated time over here. And this one over here also does not have that. So a lot of really cool changes and improvements and updates with 3.0. Super excited for whenever this gets pushed out, sometime hopefully around November. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hand subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got